Welcome to the Health and Social Care, Level 5 course, where we're committed to empowering you with the knowledge and skills that will set you apart in the field. Our professionally designed course will teach you the important principles and policies that govern health and social care work, ensuring you provide the highest quality care. You'll learn about your rights and responsibilities as a health and social care worker and your crucial role as a caregiver and healthcare professional. Our course will help you grasp the complex world of legal, professional standards of practice, and the ethical aspects of healthcare. You'll also discover how to safeguard vulnerable individuals, ensuring their well-being is a top priority. By the end of this course, you'll receive a QLS and CPD certificate, a testament to your dedication and expertise. Are you prepared to soar to new heights in your career? Enroll in our course today,